Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically download fonts and like how you can import it into CapCut PC. I am going to download this one and I'm just going to press start download. You can basically download it in any site you want. I'm just going to double click the font file and I'm going to press install once it's loaded. And it's going to install it to your PC. If you have CapCut open, make sure you close it first so that you can let it install the font. So that was what Angels. I also need to update it real quick later, this app. So I'm going to go to text and I'm going to add in my default text. I'm just going to type the name of the font. And I'm going to go to font and you can actually search now. So just type in the font that you just downloaded and it's here. You can change the colors to whatever you like. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!